Hi everyone, today in Integrated Math 1 we're going to be going over Chapter 1, Lesson 4. So as you can see here we have our objectives. Make sure you write them down. So the distributive property, as you can see, is when whatever number you have gets distributed to each one. So you can see a little better with this picture. Think about it with if you have this bird and you want to distribute it to these two. So then it gets distributed to both of those. And we'll try some examples so you can see this more. So we want to use the distributive property to rewrite the expression 5 times 3 plus 8 and then evaluate. Remember, evaluate means to solve. So we have 5 times 3 plus 8. And we want to rewrite this. Well, think about the picture from before. We want to distribute that bird to these two birds. So we have 5 times 3. This plus still stays, plus 5 times 8. The 5 gets distributed to everything inside the parentheses. In this case, we only have two items. So now let's go ahead and do our order of operations. Remember, parentheses, we don't have, already solved. Exponents, we have none. Then it's multiplication, and we have addition. Well, multiplication always comes first. So 5 times 3 is 15, plus 5 times 8. So 15 plus 40. Now we add, so 55. And that's it. We have evaluated it now. But notice how we rewrote them. This piece is equivalent to this piece. We just rewrote it. And you can also think about it with the arrows. So now let's rewrite the expression 6x. Now let's rewrite the expression 6 times x plus 4 using the distributive property, and then we want to simplify. So we have 6 times x plus 4. Well, just like we did before, think about it, gets distributed. So 6 times x plus 6 times 4. There we go. 6x plus 24. And it's that easy. That's it. Now, let's rewrite the expression 3x minus 2 times negative 5. So in this way, I'm going to show the arrows a little differently, just so it's a little easier for you to see. So this is the same thing as negative 5 times 3x. And I'm going to say plus negative 5 times negative 2. And I'm going to actually put parentheses around this one too so they look the same. So remember, we want to do multiplication before addition. So negative 5 times 3x is negative 15x. And I'm going to say plus a negative times a negative is a positive. 5 times 2 is 10. And we're done. That's it. But notice how you can use a distributive property in different ways from each example.